Are you looking for the best 1440p gaming monitors? In this video we will look at some of the best 1440p gaming monitors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27AQWPW. The best 1440p gaming monitor we've tested is the ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27AQWPW. It's a high-end OLED with a fast refresh rate, delivering a smooth, responsive feel. It has a 540Hz refresh rate with its native 1440p resolution, and you can boost it to 720Hz at 720p using its dual mode feature. This makes it versatile for playing different games. It has a near-instantaneous response time at any refresh rate, so fast-moving objects look sharp, and it supports all common VRR formats to reduce screen tearing. It even has features you'd expect in a premium gaming monitor, like HDMI and DisplayPort 2.1 bandwidth to make full use of modern graphics cards in gaming consoles. Besides its high-end gaming performance, it even delivers fantastic picture quality. Its OLED panel displays deep and inky blacks in dark rooms without any haloing around bright objects. It also displays a wide range of colors, makes small highlights stand out, and colors are vivid. Plus, its tandem OLED panel gets bright, so it fights glare well in bright rooms. Its glossy coating results in clear images, but at the cost of mirror-like reflections.
For more updates.
You can consider the LG 27G790B-B if you want a matte alternative with fewer mirror-like reflections in well-lit rooms, but images are hazier. At number 2. ASUS ROG Strix OLED XG27ACD&G. If the ASUS ROG Swift OLED PG27AQWPW is out of your price range or you won't take advantage of its high refresh rate, check out the ASUS ROG Strix OLED XG27ACD&G. You can often find it for less than the PG27AQWPW, especially when it's on sale. It offers the same near-instantaneous response time, so motion is sharp. However, it has a lower 360Hz refresh rate, so it's not quite as smooth and responsive. It lacks a dual-mode feature to make it versatile for playing different types of games. Luckily, it has typical gaming features, like support for all common VRR formats and HDMI 2.1 bandwidth. It has a few advantages over the PG27AQWPW, such as its QD OLED panel delivering more vivid colors. One downside is that blacks look purple in bright rooms on this monitor, so you have to use it in a dark room to get the best performance. You can also consider the LG 27G700A-B if you want something else that retains lower black levels in well-lit rooms. It costs a bit less as well, but it has a lower refresh rate, and its colors aren't as vivid. At number 3. LG 27GR83QB. If you don't have the budget for a 1440p OLED gaming monitor, there are some LED backlit LCD options you can get in the lower mid-range price category. One of those is the LG 27GR83QB, which usually costs less than the HyperX Omen OLED 27Q. The biggest downside is that it has worse picture quality, with blacks that look gray and highlights that don't pop for an impactful HDR experience. It also lacks local dimming, so it can improve its picture quality with deeper blacks. Although the LG has worse picture quality, it offers the basics for PC gaming. This includes a 240Hz refresh rate that you can achieve with a DisplayPort connection or over HDMI thanks to its HDMI 2.1 bandwidth. While it has more blur with fast-moving content than the HyperX, its response time remains consistently quick with any refresh rate. It also supports HDMI 4M, FreeSync VRR, and GSANC compatibility to reduce screen tearing with any source, including gaming consoles. At number 4. AOC Q27G3XMN. If you're on a budget, you can get some budget-friendly 1440p monitors, like the AOC Q27G3XMN. It has a lower 180Hz refresh rate than the LG 27GR83QB, so gaming feels less smooth. However, it's an improvement in picture quality because it has mini LED backlighting, which most entry-level monitors don't have. This helps it provide a good local dimming feature that displays deep blacks next to bright highlights, with minimal haloing around bright objects against dark backgrounds. It even gets brighter than the LG in HDR, making it better to use in a bright room. In terms of gaming, it has a fast enough response time to ensure there isn't much blur trail behind fast-moving objects. However, its response time is slower than that of the LG with some transitions, leading to black smearing with dark objects. If you can't find this monitor available, another option is the ASUS Q27G40XMN, which is similar and is sold in the US only. It gets brighter and has better local dimming performance, but its motion handling is worse than the Q27G3XMN. At number 5. Dell Alienware AW2725DM. If you need a basic 1440p gaming monitor that you can get for cheap, check out the Dell Alienware AW2725DM. It's a 27-inch monitor like the ASUS Q27G3XMN, but its biggest downside is worse picture quality. It doesn't have mini LED backlighting, so blacks look gray, and it fails to make highlights pop in HDR. Plus, its local dimming feature, which only turns on in HDR, performs terribly and causes haloing around bright objects in dark scenes. This means it's a bad choice for gaming in HDR, but this is what you have to expect at this price point, and it's better to game outside of HDR. It's still fine to use in a well-lit room, though, as it gets bright enough to fight some glare. It's a decent gaming monitor with a 180Hz refresh rate, the same as the ASUS. It has good motion handling across its refresh rate range. While there's some blur behind fast-moving objects, it at least doesn't have black smearing in dark scenes like on the ASUS. It also has a wider viewing angle than the ASUS, which is helpful to know if you want a game with a friend sitting next to you, as the image remains consistent from the side.